How to change live stream text in real time without OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, JMV Technology Support Specialist. Ever wanted to update live info like scores or alerts without opening OBS? I'll show how to edit text externally on your PC or a network machine. This method boosts efficiency, crucial for live broadcasts where time matters. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. First, open a notepad and type the initial text you want. Save the file with your preferred name and location. In OBS, click More in Sources and add a text source. Name it for easy identification and click OK. Check the Load from File option. Click Explore and select the file you saved. You'll see the text appear here. In this window, customize text appearance, font, size, color, and alignment to match your stream's style. Click OK and position the text where you want it. To update the text, just edit the file and save. The text in OBS updates as soon as you save. If needed, share the files folder on the local network with read and edit permissions. This lets another user on the same network access and change the text remotely. To share the folder, right-click and select Properties. Click the Sharing tab, then Advanced Sharing. Keep Share this folder checked. Click Permissions. Select Users and check both Change and Read options. Looking for a live streaming platform? Check out JMV Technology's plans for multi-platform streaming and exclusive features. Scan the QR code for more info. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us for more content like this.